Hello, my name is Dr. Abigail. This video is third in my series on recognising hidden anxiety. My previous two episodes explored hidden anxiety in our thoughts and hidden anxiety in our body. So today I'm going to talk about recognising hidden anxiety in our or somebody else's behaviour. So what do I mean by recognising anxiety in our behaviour? Well, by behaviour I mean something that can be observed by others, something that can be seen outwardly, watched by a person, their outward actions. So it's not always obvious that somebody's outward behaviour is being driven by anxiety. So today I'm going to talk about 4 ways they might behave that suggest they're experiencing internal anxiety. The first indicator that somebody's behaviour could be due to hidden anxiety is when they display irritability or anger. Often anger is the initial response, kind of like the defence, and yet underneath the anger can often be fear. For example, you may receive a text from a good friend and you don't have time to reply for a few hours. However, this lack of reply is met with anger, and this might not initially make sense. However, this friend may have anxiety that they're not really liked, maybe they're not cared about, now especially if they've had an upbringing where they maybe didn't feel valuable. And a defence against this fear and this anxiety is that they reply with anger. The second indicator that somebody's behaviour could be due to hidden anxiety is when they seem to avoid things they usually engage with, or maybe they withdraw from their usual responsibilities. For example, you could have a young person at school who doesn't want to attend, or maybe they don't want to do their homework, or maybe an adult who just doesn't want to go to work, or they don't want to take a promotion that they've been given. Now, especially when it seems illogical and against their character. However, it may be that this is actually hidden anxiety and they're using the behavioural strategy of avoidance because facing the situation is actually aversive. It creates quite a lot of fear. Sometimes watching this behaviour could be interpreted as a laziness, a lack of motivation, a lack of drive. However, what could be going on is they actually feel anxious and they're actively moving away from that anxiety by doing withdrawal or avoidance. The third indicator that somebody's behaviour could be due to hidden anxiety is when they seem to be displaying behaviour that's risky. So this could be excessive drinking, drug taking. This risk behaviour can be kind of another form of avoidance, like numbing themselves to what's actually happening internally that might be quite aversive. The substance is numbing their anxious state and it's numbing their fears and their worries. The fourth indicator that somebody's behaviour could be due to hidden anxiety is more well known, and that's actually noticing what their body is doing. For example, are they agitated? Are they struggling to sit still? Do they have an increased sort of startle reflex, or jumping when there's a real sudden sound? Do they sit tapping, moving, pulling at their hair? So now this isn't always due to anxiety, but this does suggest a nervous system that's overstimulated. It's not in a calm state. So if you like this video, if it's helpful, please subscribe. If you're struggling with anxiety, there's lots of really helpful interventions that we offer. I personally lead a team of 10 therapists and we offer remote therapy nationally and internationally, as well as face-to-face in Worcestershire. It's very simple to get going. Just visit our website, Malvern Hills Private Practice, and complete a self-referral form. We can then send you a link saying which is the best therapist for you, and you can book directly into their diary. Thank you for listening.